It's like shaking a ketchup bottle. You're shaking and shaking and shaking. And at one time, everything is coming out, maybe more than you expected. That's what I feel about what's happening in Trondheim now.
The food scene in Trondheim is very much alive. It's very happening at the moment. You have all of these amazing young chefs moving back from maybe working abroad or in different towns in Norway. And when you see something just like waking up and you see all of that energy, you want to be a part of it.
Trondheim is a small town, but we have a lot of different restaurants. You can use a long weekend here and you can eat from morning to night every day for 4 days and you never eat the same.
Oh, it's exploded. It's so cool because, you know, we have all these very unique restaurants. Everyone is so good at their own thing and really supportive of each other. I'm really proud to be a part of it.
We all want the best for everybody and we all want to be part of what is going on. This industry is a very cool industry to work with. A lot of very young, talented, energetic people are approaching the industry and doing a really good job at...
It's a fantastic place to run a restaurant when you have all the products you need just in 1 to 3 hours around your restaurant. It's like living in the middle of heaven. It's fantastic. What should I choose today? You know, it's so much. Should I take this? Or should I take this? Or should I take everything?
We have the best produce in the world. That's no surprise. We're close to the fjords, we're close to the mountains and the forests. I spend a lot of time in the sea. Me and my fiancé like to go freediving, picking a lot of seaweed. He's harpoon fishing. It's quite manly.
Not only fish, langoustines, scallops, lobsters, a lot of fantastic minerals in the soil. Sun, rain, mild temperature. Thousands of years ago, the rain there stopped. It's like playing poker and you get all these S's. You stand there and you think that all the rain is going to run you down. And when they come close to you, they split. And you feel respect for nature and why it's so important to take care of. It's a product of excellent quality. And to serve that to people from other countries, they never taste it and they're, why? It's so fantastic. Why could I get this in France? Well, maybe you should move up or come often.
In Trondheim, it's very easy to be creative and get inspired by the nature. So this is the right place for me to be.
When I go to restaurants around the world, high-end restaurants that only uses like the best of the best, they use produce from Trondheim. And that just makes you extra proud as a chef, and it makes you realize just how lucky you are to be right here at this moment in Trondheim, the home of Nordic Flavours.